you're one of those people that struggles to make a decision, I'll make it for you. Just go and sign up to BMI. Hi, I'm Dex. Welcome to the channel. Whether you're new here or an old friend, you can catch episodes like this every Monday. If you want to support the channel, you can join me over on Patreon, where there's extended content, an exclusive Discord server, and I give you feedback on the cues you are writing. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. So, on with today's episode. It's a new year, 2024. Brilliant. What are the goals that I've got set for myself? What have you got set for yourself this year? I want to create 52 Music Monday episodes. I'm sure I'm going to look back on this one and realise it's terrible, but we'll come to that in a year's time. I've set up a Patreon page for you to be able to support the channel. I've got work in a trailer music library that I want to continue with. I want to write more, get more connections with production libraries, always doing that. There's some challenges, competitions that I personally would like to do, and I'll share those with you here. So, YouTube episodes like this one are designed to help composers stimulate discussion, and these are going to be the Music Monday sessions. I'm thinking of doing live streams on Saturdays as a sort of music school where we can do live composition. You can follow along and you can interact and join me every Saturday. How long is too long? Is 15 minutes too long? 30 minutes, I'm thinking, is probably too long for a casual YouTube episode. So I'm aiming for about 10 to 15 minutes for these sort of episodes, but I need your feedback. Please feel free to comment and let me know your thoughts. I've also set up a Patreon page for you to support the channel. YouTube is great for putting out educational content, and I intend to continue doing that. There's only one subscription level at the moment, keeps it nice and simple. Included in that, I have set up a Discord server, which is exclusive to members of the Patreon, and I will give you feedback on cues that you're writing so you can improve, or maybe you've got suggestions of things you'd like to try or different genres you'd like to try, or any question. I will be available on that Discord server to answer your questions about composing. And I also want to include free videos, audios, MIDI files, anything related to any of the content I put on YouTube, I will add there as well. And we'll have some extended content and more information about the subjects that we're talking about here on YouTube. I'm thinking about the future, and do I get in contact with people I know in the industry and we arrange some interviews? Would you like to get into creating sampling instruments, actual sample instruments, put them on your computer? And again, for the Patreon channel, it's exactly the same. What do you want? Comments, more than welcome. For the music libraries, my goals for this year are to obviously make sure I continue writing for the libraries that I'm currently working with. And I thought I'd set some goals. So I'm guessing I would like a relationship with another 4 music libraries. I don't want too many because I don't want to let people down, obviously, by working for too many libraries. But I think 1 per quarter, that sounds like sensible progress without overstretching myself. And while doing the YouTube channel is going to take up more time and the Patreon, I think signing 40 queues this year, so that's 10 per quarter, that seems like a reasonable goal. But what are your goals? What are you planning to do in 2024? I always like challenges, always learning, and 2 that I'm going to start off with this year, and feel free to join in. Over at 52 Qs, they've got this Expedition 52. Now this is a year-long quest, but Dave Prof over there says they might start extra expeditions during the year, so we'll see how that goes, but I'm quite keen to be on the first set of people on that expedition. And Ryan Leach has started a new channel alongside his composing channel, specifically for composing, and he puts out 4 competitions a year at the moment, and the January one has just launched. So over the month of January, I'll be launching myself into that and seeing what the new composition inspiration is there. So, composer tip number 1, join a PRO. This is how you get paid when your music is played on TV or in a film or on an advert. The 2 you will have heard about are BMI and ASCAP. They are based in the United States. There are others like PRS in the UK and Gamer in Germany. Another one you may have heard about is CSAC, but that is invitation only. They will ask you to join. So, which one of the ones you are allowed to sign up for should you sign up for? Well, some people would say it's best to go for the one that's in your country. So if you're based in the United States, BMI or ASCAP. If you're based in the UK, PRS. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter which one you join, but you can only be a member of one. I'm based in the UK, but I signed up with BMI on the advice that shows that play in the US would get possibly better payments from BMI than PRS. In my experience working with collaborators, that doesn't seem to be much of a muchness. They are very similar. So do some research. There are some benefits to some over others, but at the end of the day, it is your choice to pick one. If you're one of those people that struggles to make a decision, I'll make it for you. Just go and sign up to BMI. At the time of recording, it is free, and it makes sure you can get paid for your composing. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye for now.